dangerous surf to much of the East Coast. The sprawling storm is not forecast to make landfall, but its impacts are still being felt as it tracks north, parallel to the coastline.
Life-threatening rip currents along with destructive waves and storm surge are expected. Michael Yoshida is on Wrightsville Beach in North Carolina, where dozens of water rescues have already happened this week, with some towns closing beaches as that storm approaches.
Water rescues up and down the East Coast as Hurricane Erin churns up powerful waves and life-threatening rip currents.
It's been very dangerous out here. It was very dangerous yesterday. We had between 60 and 70 rescues.
Popular beaches in North Carolina, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, New Jersey, and New York City issuing no swimming orders until the storm passes.
We're not going to go in pretty deep just because the waves do seem pretty big today.
We got an alert, so we're being safe, and we're watching the surfers. They're having a great time. I'm glad those aren't my children, because that would terrify me.
The hurricane exploded in strength over the weekend, becoming a Category 5 in one of the fastest rapid intensification bursts on record in the Atlantic. Its category has since been downgraded, but the threat has not.
The rips are pretty bad. They just get worse and worse as the waves keep pulling and moving sand around.
I'm just going to kind of skim the water, so I'm not too scared.
Erin's impact won't be felt through direct landfall, but through strong winds and large pounding surf, storm surge, coastal flooding, beach erosion, and dangerous currents.
Can't stress it enough. If you come to the beach, you can hang out on the beach. Just definitely do not get in the ocean.
In Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, I'm Michael Yoshida.